300 million people use Notion. Most of them are missing 5 features that are already sitting in their workspace right now. I am ByteGrid. Welcome back to ByteGrid AI. Today, Notion AI. The AI layer built directly into Notion that almost nobody actually uses. All 5 features are verified as of 2026. Let's go through every single one. But first, the honest pricing picture, because most videos skip this. Notion's free plan and plus plan give you a one-time trial of 20 AI responses. After that, AI stops working entirely. To get full Notion AI, the Q&A feature, Autofill, meeting notes, research mode, you need the business plan. That is $20 per user per month, not free. But if you use Notion seriously for work, the 5 features we are about to cover make it worth every rupee. Feature 1. Q&A. Ask your entire workspace a question. This is the feature that converts Notion skeptics faster than anything else. Press Command-J on Mac or Control-J on Windows, anywhere in Notion. Type a natural language question. What were the decisions from last week's team meeting? And Notion AI reads through your pages and gives you a cited answer in seconds. Since January 2026, the context window expanded from 20 pages to 50. A project wiki with 35 pages can now be fully searched in a single question. This is the only AI tool that actually knows your work, because it has read all of it. Feature 2. AI Autofill for databases. You have a database of 50 meeting notes, articles, or client records. Normally summarizing each one manually would take an hour. With AI Autofill, you add a new property to your database, set it to AI Autofill, write a prompt like "summarize this in 3 sentences," and Notion fills in that column for every single row, automatically, in about 30 seconds. It works for summaries, categories, priorities, sentiment, or any custom prompt you write. What used to take an hour now takes 30 seconds. Feature 3. AI Meeting Notes. And this one is a genuine game changer. Available on Mac and Windows since April 2026. You open a new meeting notes page in Notion, start recording, and join your meeting normally. When the meeting ends, Notion AI has already generated a full transcript, a structured summary, and a list of action items, saved automatically to your workspace. Stop taking notes in meetings. Stop writing follow-up emails from memory. This feature alone justifies the business plan for anyone who has more than 3 meetings a week. Feature 4. Summarize any page instantly. Paste a long research article, a 15-page client brief, or a dense report into Notion. Click the AI icon at the top of the page. Choose Summarise. In under 10 seconds, you get a concise summary with the key points. You can also add a summary property to any database. Notion AI will auto-generate a summary for every new entry without you touching it at all. Your database becomes self-organizing. Feature 5. The AI Writing Editor, and this one most people completely overlook. Highlight any text in Notion. A small AI menu appears. Choose from fix spelling and grammar, improve writing, make shorter, make longer, or change tone. Notion rewrites your text right there, inside the document. No copy-pasting into ChatGPT. No switching tabs. Your entire writing and editing workflow stays in one place. Now, the question ByteGrid gets asked most often. If I have ChatGPT or Claude, why do I need Notion AI? Honest answer. They do different things. Claude and ChatGPT are better for deep, long-form writing and research. Notion AI is better when your work already lives in Notion, because it can read your notes, fill your databases, and work with your existing content without you copying anything across. Byte's actual workflow. Claude writes the first draft, paste it into Notion. Notion AI manages, organizes, and summarizes from there. The 2 tools together are more powerful than either alone. Quick recap. 5 features, all available on the business plan right now. Feature 1, Q&A, ask your whole workspace. Feature 2, AI Autofill, fill database columns automatically. Feature 3, meeting notes, automatic transcripts and summaries. Feature 4, summarize any page in under 10 seconds. Feature 5, AI Editor, rewrite text right inside the document. Start with the 20 response-free trial to figure out which one saves you the most time first. Then decide if the business plan makes sense. The Notion link is in the description below. Subscribe to ByteGrid AI for a new AI tool breakdown every week. And drop a comment. Which of these 5 features are you trying first? Byte reads every single one. See you next video.